Roblox does not have a formal refund process for purchased items. However, you can follow the simple steps to try to obtain a refund. Remember that refunds can only be requested for the items that were accidentally purchased, such as clothing or accessories. Please note that the game passes developer products and the limited items cannot be refunded. So for that, you need to visit the Roblox support, that is roblox.com/support. You will be taken to the Roblox Contact Us page. Complete the form with the following information, that is your username, first name, your email address, your device, and help category. And there is also a section of description of issues where you can describe the issue that you are facing. You can include any relevant information like where the issue is occurring or the error message. And submit a request and patiently wait for the response, which typically takes a few days. Enable the confirm purchases option in your settings, and be cautious when purchasing items as Roblox rarely grants refunds. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.